amazing hero, welcome to lesson 29. It says I can solve subtraction problems using 10 as a unit and write two-step solutions. So let's go right into that. Now we have the 5 group columns, alright, forming the 10 and some ones. So when we see a picture, we're going to see the number the say 10 way. Are you ready? And also the number of 10s and the number of ones. So I have here 15, which is 10 5, 1 10, 5 ones. And what about these? 10 8, 1 10, 8 ones. What about these? 10 1, 1 10, 1 1. What about these? 10 6, 1 10, 6 ones. What about these? 10. That's just 1 10. What about these? 10 9, 1 10, 9 ones. And what about these? 10 3, 1 10, 3 ones. And what about these? 10 7, 1 10, 7 ones. And what about these right here? 10 4, 1 10, 4 ones. And the last 10 2, 1 10, 2 ones. Clap for yourself. Alright, now we're going to be taking some subtraction sentences. Alright, now say 11 is a 10 way, that's 10 1. Now 10 minus 8 is what? 2. The 2 plus the 1 will give me what? 3. Very good. So that means I have my 10 and my 1. 10 minus 8, take away the 8 from 10, I'll be left with 2. 2 plus this 1 will give me what? 3. Clap for yourself. And let's take a look at another example. 17 minus 8, this is 10 7. 10 and 7. Take away the 8 from the 10, that will be what? 2 plus 7, and that will give me 9. Clap for yourself. Moving down the line, we have 13 minus 8. Yeah. So I will make my number bond, which is going to show my 10 plus 5. So 10 3. 10 what? 3. So take out 8 from the 10, and that will be 2. 2 plus 3, and that will give me 5. One more example before we go to the next part of this class. 18 minus 9. Yeah, 18 minus 9. 10 8, don't forget. Right? Then I will cross out my 9 from my 10. I have 1 plus 8, and that will give me 9. Clap for yourself. Alright. Now over to application problem. He said, Hai Jung had 13 markers and she gave some to Lily. If Hai Jung then had 5 markers, how many markers did she give to Lily? Oh, so let's solve that. She has, I'm going to draw my 13, 1, 2, in my 5 group way, don't forget, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'll circle my 10. And I will cross out my 5 because she gave out 5 to Lily. Alright? Alright, so let's go. Oh, sorry, she has 5 markers left after giving some to Lily. Alright, so let's move on. How many did she give out to Lily? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So that means 13 minus 5 equals 8. Yes, that means she gave 8 markers to Lily. Clap for herself. Okay, now we have an expression here for us to solve. Let's write the 2 number sentences to show how to solve. Can you? Yeah, it's not hard at all. So let's make our 10, or take from 10. So I have my 10 minus 5 equals to 5. And the 5 plus the other part, which is 1 from my 10, 1, and that will be 6. So that means my answer is 6. Clap for yourself. Alright, now the next here is 12 minus 9. 12 minus what? 9. So that means 10. I'll break my 12 into 10 and 2. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. 1 plus the parts remaining, or the ones in my 12, and that will be what? 2. So equals to 3. So that means 12 minus 9 gives me 3. Very good. Let's take another example before we go on to our problem set. We have 16 minus 7. Yeah. Don't forget, I'll break my 16 into 10 and 6. Yeah. So let's move on. 10 minus 7 equals 3. The 3 plus the other parts remaining in my 10 number, which is 6. So 3 plus 6 gives me what? 9. So that means 16 minus 7 is actually 9. Alright, over to our problem set. It says solve the problems. Write your answers to show how many tens and ones. Show your solution in 2 steps. How many steps? 2 steps. So like what we did before, I have 14 minus 5. I'll take out my 10 from the 14 minus the 5 equals to 5. The 5 plus the ones left, which is 4, gives me what? 9. So that means my answer here becomes 9. The other example is 13 minus 8. Alright, so 10 minus 8. The 10 is from the 13, and the 8 is what I'm subtracting. So 10 minus 8 gives me 2. The 2 plus the other part, which is what? 3, and that will give us 5. So that means 13 minus 8 is actually 5. Clap for yourself. Whoa, we've come to the end of today's class and the end of this term. Wow, you have a lot of quizzes, final quizzes, revision blocks, and of course examination to go through. I'll see you in all of these, and don't forget, go through all your work over again to get the full understanding of all of them. I'll see you some other time. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.